welcome back to the vlog. Yes, it is New Year's. It's the 2nd of January and I'm so excited because today we are going to shop for our baby girl. We're going to buy her food stuff for solid, like, and purees. So we're heading to Whole Foods. I'll get like the veggies and the fruits I need for her from Whole Foods, and then I am gonna get some baby cereal either from Walmart or from Whole Foods as well. And I'm gonna go to Target to get a high chair. Apparently I wanted a specific high chair for her. I wanted the high chair from IKEA, but they don't have it on stock right now because it's unavailable. They can't ship it to where we are in Alabama, so we have to go pick up in Atlanta, which is like 2-3 hours away from us, and nobody got time for that, you know. So I can't wait because I don't know when they're gonna have it back in store. And then I found something that is similar to the price of the IKEA one in Target, so I'm gonna go pick up that one at Target. So that's what we're doing today. So yeah, and then we're gonna do some shopping. I want to get a hard drive for YouTube because YouTube is about to be lit this year. Back-to-back content. Don't laugh. It's back-to-back content in the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth. So yes guys, so yeah, so we're heading now to where's our first stop?
Let's check out Whole Foods.
Whole Foods first?
No, you choose.
Okay, let's go to Whole Foods if you
First?
want. Yeah, okay.
All right.
Yeah, we'll go to Whole Foods first to go pick up what we want to pick up, and then after Whole Foods we're gonna go to where? Walmart? And
Whole
then...
Foods, Walmart, then Target.
Okay, alright, sounds good.
Oh,
so
Target,
you didn't even say hi to the people.
Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. I'm used to that line now.
Yes. So yeah, so we're heading now. We move. 2021, we move. We don't sit, we move.
Right.
Yeah, so guys,
right.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll see you guys when we get to Whole Foods. It's my first time ever going to Whole Foods, so I'm kind of excited to see what they have.
Exactly, same here.
Yeah, so let's get it. Back from the grocery store, from Whole Foods and Walmart. We couldn't go to Target because here, want this? Oh my god, what are you doing? Okay, so we couldn't go to Target because we were tired and we were hungry. We came back to eat. we're gonna go to Target another day. So yeah, so I'll show you guys what I got. So I got this head best organic. I got everything for her organic. I'm gonna start her off organic, then later on I could switch to regular stuff, but for right now I'm gonna be using organic stuff for her. So I'm gonna be using this Earth's Best oatmeal cereal. Yeah, so yeah, this one. And then I got this Gerber organic as well oatmeal cereal. So I got a small pack just in case she doesn't like it, that's why. So I got this one and the other one. I'm gonna try the Ed Bets first before I go to the other one, because I actually did a research and it said like most first time eaters uses this. So this is what I'm gonna try and use first before I use the Gerber one, or maybe I'll just miss it, I don't know, like give her today the Gerber and give her the Ed Best tomorrow. And then I got this storage containers for purees. So I got the storage containers. I'm just gonna open it so I can show you guys what it looks like. So it looks like this. I could just store our purees in here. So it came in 4, and then I got this one as well because I wanted glass, you know, so I got a bigger one just in case I could miss it. When she eats something and she likes it, we can always use the bigger one. So yeah, I wanted glass because I wanted to store her food in glass and not rubbers, so that's why I've got glass. Yeah, so I got a rubber plate for her to eat cereals. Yeah, so that is it. And then I got this amazing spoon. I love it. I already opened it. So I got this Parents' Choice spoon. It's so soft, like very soft. Love, like it's really soft. So came in 6-pack, which is good. So I got it for her. And then I think that's all I got for Walmart for her. So I went to Whole Foods. I picked out like some plantains for us. Whole Foods are like an organic grocery store in the US. So I got avocado, yeah, and I got some pears. I got some baby carrots, organic, yeah. So that's all I got. So my plan for her is like we're gonna start her up on the cereal. So guys, yeah, like I was saying, I'm so sorry. My plan for her is to start up on the cereal, and then I am gonna like do like the purees as well. So I plan on giving her like cereals in the morning and then give her purees in the evening. So the first 3 purees I'm doing for her are carrots, avocado, and pear. So I'm gonna introduce carrot to her on Tuesday, Tuesday and Wednesday she's gonna have carrot puree, and then Thursday, Friday she's gonna have the pear puree, and then Saturday, Sunday she's gonna have the avocado puree. So I'm gonna try make sure that she eats it up to 2 days and see which one she likes best, and then I'll continue doing that. So that's what I'm doing. I'm starting up on 3 purees and then the 2 oatmeal cereal that I got, just to make her get used to eating first, and then I could figure out what next puree, she's pulling my hair, I'm gonna do. So yeah, that is it. I'm really excited. I can't wait for her to start eating. It's just 2 more days. And also I got her a bottle, and my sister got her like a sippy cup that she can use. So yeah, I'll bring you guys along, so be sure to stay tuned, okay?